So what's up, my people? It's about Zibi King here once again. So as you can see today, crypto is on the rise and BNB also is on the rise. Remember, the normal price of BNB is 400 and something dollars. So at today, BNB is now $301.70. And today's video is about BNB website, my road to 1 BNB. So as you can see now, you can see my balance here is 0.09 BNB, which is worth in 27.48 USD. Don't worry. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys two websites that you are gonna use to bag so much BNB, just like Zui King is about to bag. So the first website is vipminer.v2.finance. vip2miner v2.finance. So for those of you that are not on my Telegram channel, you guys are missing a lot because I share daily updates on my Telegram channel. So for those of you that are in my Telegram channel, I know that some of you might have tried this particular platform because I shared it yesterday, some hours ago. I shared it. As you can see, the contract balance of BNB of this particular website is very small. So if you can jump into it because the sweetest part of this particular project is that they don't have, I don't think they have minimum investment. Just like me, I invested 0.008 BNB. Not unlike the other one, it's not like that. So how to use this one is very simple. Go over, follow the link in the description. It's going to take you over to my Telegram channel where you're going to copy out the link to this particular website, this particular new website. So copy it out, come to your dApps, connect your wallet, send the network from Ethereum to Smash Chain, then connect your wallet. Once you're done connecting your wallet, your balance of BNB is going to reflect here, and also it's going to ask you to impute the amount of BNB you want to buy, you want to use to hide miner. Once you impute it, normally click on hide miner, go and do the contract call, and your miner have, as you can see, I'm using 612 miner, and you can see I've mined 0.01 BNB on this particular project. So for you to withdraw, click on pocket your BNB. As you can see, it's gonna take us 0.00005 BNB to withdraw. So you have to check the charges and the BNB I mine. I'm still using this one today. As you can see, they say that every 24 hours you are gonna get 10% of whatever you invested on this particular website. So as you can see, I've not even reached 10%. So this is the first website. Once you use this website, it's very easy to use, and I don't think they have minimum investment. So this is the first website. So the second website is a website that all of us have been using all this while. All of us have been, most of you guys that are my viewers have seen this website and how much I've made from this website and other things in between. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a live withdrawal from this website again. As you can see, I've earned over 0.04 BNB again on this website without even buying other miner. Guys, I told you guys that this website is real now. I'm going to take out my reward to show you guys that the website is still good, currently paying, and it's also paying. But I'm gonna remind you guys that Zui King is not anywhere a financial advisor. If you have not joined this website before, I don't think it's too late. The minimum investment is just 0.01 BNB. Don't worry, if you follow the link in the description, you will also see it there. You understand? You also see it on my Telegram channel. Minimum investment is 0.01 BNB. So once you copy out the link, normally connect your wallet, impute it to your dApp, change network from Ethereum to Smash Chain, then connect your wallet, then click on this. It will show you the balance of your BNB here. Click on this place, impute 0.01 BNB. See it, 0.01 BNB. So once you're done with it, click on buy miner. After buying the miner, instantly the amount of BNB, the amount of miner that you can buy with that amount, that money, depending on the contract balance, it's gonna reflect immediately, and boom, your miner have started. So for you to take out what you have mined, it's gonna be giving you 10% daily and 13% referral bonus. So for you to, once you are done mining and your reward have reached the minimum withdrawal, it doesn't have the minimum withdrawal. So once your balance have reached the amount that you think that is good for you to withdraw to bypass the charges fee, next thing you have to do is to click on this place. As I'm about to withdraw my own now, click on this place. It's going to take you to a smart contract call where you're gonna execute this smart contract. So once what you're gonna do is to click on approve, just like I'm doing now, and click on and verify it. Once you're done with it, as you can see, my transaction is sent, and now let the magic happen. Now transaction confirmed, and my reward balance is now 0.000 nothing BNB as usual. And as you can see, this is my wallet balance here, 0.01286 BNB. So let me click on this place now to go back. Wow, as you can see now, from 27 to 38 BNB. Now let me know how much I got. Let me know how much BNB I got. Let me show you guys what you guys are missing. 0.04017 BNB is $12.14, guys. I just earned $12.14 from this particular project without buying more BNB miner. Guys, don't waste time on this project, because this particular project is very new, and a lot of people have been earning so much from it. So don't waste your time, don't think twice. Go to Binance, buy BNB, and come over here and earn so much BNB just like I'm earning, guys. As you can see, this is my balance on BNB now, and my target from this is gonna actually be 1 BNB. As you can see now, BNB and I've gained another dollar now. Now it's 302. So I don't know why you guys are, the people that are not using the website is wasting their time on this website. So I think this is the end of this video for BNB. But first, you guys should take a look at my balance here in World OTC and withdrawal record. I've withdrawn over 29 USDT, close to 30 USDT on this particular project, and now I'm having 52 USDT. Don't joke on this project, guys. Okay, now I'm after withdrawal, I'm now trading with 550 USDT since yesterday, and I've gotten 2 USDT. It's not that big, but it's worth it. Within a week, you have gotten 20 USDT from this project. So I don't know why you guys are dulling on this project. Minimum investment in this project is $10. Minimum recharge is $10. So once you charge $10, you usually need to trade per 3 hours. As you can see, my alarm is, if you check up here, you see that my alarm is currently on. So that is how I do my thing. So if you are following Zubikenga, you have not earned just like Zubikenga. As you can see, all these things doesn't even need require referrals. So don't tell me you cannot refer. You don't need to refer. So that is it.